from accounting can make it up the stairs.
Don't forget to turn in your time card, Peter. What are you, allergic to money?
No, I want to get paid. Just forgot. Ugh, look at me. I haven't felt this out of shape since I took surfing lessons. Boy, this is harder than I thought. My arms are getting really tired.
No, you're fine. Just keep going.
Ty, your positivity is infectious.
All right, P-Town wave coming in. I'm just going to give you a little push and you stand up.
This is an immediately required broadcast for the state of Tennessee. The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation has issued a statewide Tennessee Blue Alert for Cleatus Jonathan Cook. Cleatus is listed as a person of interest by the Lincoln County Sheriff's Office and the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation due to the shooting death of a Lincoln County deputy on March 9, 2020. Cleatus has also committed multiple crimes in the past and is armed and dangerous. He may be traveling in a stolen 2005 Ford Ranger, brown in color, with Tennessee State Registration 057D90B. If you have any information on the whereabouts on Cleatus, call 911 immediately.